வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டு தான் I realized the bird was following me.
எங்க flying
from tree to tree.
எங்க
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது வந்து புசானிக்கா பின்னாடில இருந்து அப்புறம் நான் காமிக்கிறேன்.
I'm worried about having no food with us. I'd vote for going back and getting something from the larder, only there doesn't seem to be any certainty of getting into this country again when once you've got out of it. I think we'll have to go on. So do I, said both the girls. If only we knew where the poor chap was imprisoned, said Peter. They were all still, wondering what to do next, when Lucy said, Look, there's a robin with such a red breast. It's the first bird I've seen here, I say. I wonder, can birds talk in Narnia? It almost looks as if it wanted to say something to us. Then she turned to the robin and said, Please, can you tell us where Tumnus the fawn has been taken to? As she said this, she took a step towards the bird. It at once flew away, but only as far as the next tree. There it perched and looked at them very hard as it understood all they had been saying. Almost without noticing that they had done so, the four children went a step or two nearer to it. At this, the robin flew away again to the next tree, and once more looked at them very hard. You couldn't have found a robin with a redder chest or brighter eyes. Do you know, said Lucy, I really believe he means us to follow him. I've an idea he does, said Susan. What do you think, Peter? Well, we might as well try it, answered Peter. The robin appeared to be understanding the matter thoroughly. It kept going from tree to tree, always a few yards ahead of them, but always so near that they could easily follow it. In this way it led them on, slightly downhill. Wherever the robin alighted, a little shower of snow would fall off the branch. Presently the clouds parted overhead, and the winter sun came out, and the snow all around them grew dazzlingly bright. They had been travelling in this way for about half an hour.
But somewhere here I noticed avlu dooram nadந்து வந்து
So this is the distance.
This the distance the bird followed me.
This you should narrate. Show them the distance.
அதான் அதனால நான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். And then இங்க right about here இங்க ஒரு மரத்துல லெஃப்ட் போங்க. இந்த கார்னர் மரத்துல வந்து உட்கார்ந்துச்சு. Then it followed me continuously. இந்த பஸ் ஸ்டாப் வரைக்கும் வந்தேன் ஒரு பிள்ளைய பார்க்கறதுக்கு. அந்த பஸ் ஸ்டாப் பக்கத்துல அந்த மரம் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த மரத்துல வந்து உட்கார்ந்துச்சு கடைசியா. So I was here and the robin landed somewhere over here in front of me and started hopping off in front. So I walked behind it, hopped all the way there. I had to walk. And from here, the robin hopped up each step all the way up these 3 flights of stairs. A bird which could have flown all the way to the top by itself led the way for me to walk up the stairs instead. Then right about here, it flew off.